Hi there. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty Allah, I am fine also. Today I have come in a very beautiful place and I'll show you environment here. You can see this place is very beautiful place and today I have come here to show you this place. Guys, I know everyone like the place like this. So that's why today I have come here and today I will show you this place and I will try to say something about this place and you can see this is paddy field. So you can say this is a how region. So there are many paddy field and on the other side there are vegetable field also. So you can see there are many houses around here and I will show you one by one. So guys, today I have come here to record this video. Especially I come here sometime to practice English and to record video. So I sometime try to practice English through record video. So that's why I am trying to say something in English and I hope you will like this video also. Guys, you can see this is a paddy field and the paddy has ripe. Now you can see I think the paddy will harvest after 2 weeks and is the paddy is cultivate twice a year in this country and on the other side there are different type of vegetable also. So you can see this place and this area mind blowing. You can see actually mind blowing places you can say. So guys, especially I have come here to record video and to practice English. You can see there are very beautiful grasses around here. The grass is green you can see and there are electric line you can see and electric filler electric line filler you can see and on the other side there are different type of houses around here and you can see this house actually very beautiful. This field actually very beautiful and you can see there are many people move on the road coming and going. You can see just mobs. There are many people uh, by the bike motorbike. So I also uh, come here by bicycle and now I'm here alone and I'm trying to say something but uh, I come here with my friend sometime also. So today is day my off and today my all friend are busy with work. That's why my friend uh, couldn't come with me. So I came here alone today. So guys, you know that the paddy field actually very beautiful naturally because all of countries actually there are paddy field available and I think uh, you also like the places like this because I really like the places like this. And when I come here to walk around here to visit this place, I can see a different type of thing around here, and a different type of trees, a different type of uh, vegetable trees, and fruit trees. There are a different type of thing available. You can see, uh, I don't know you can see or not, over there are mango trees, banana trees, a different type of trees, fruit trees around here, and flower trees, etc. available here. So actually, I really like this country also, because this country's culture is very beautiful, is very mature, and that's why you can see this place and this area like our countries, my native countries, Bangladesh, like Bangladesh, India. This country's culture and the places all of like Bangladesh. So that's why I really like, guys. So if you want to practice English, you can go like these places, and you can describe, you can start this describing any of places like this, and you can go, and on the other side you can feel the places, you can watch, you can spend time with nature and with the beautiful places. So guys, one thing I noticed that there are no cow, no goat, no sheep around here. On this area also there are no animal. So if there are animal, if there are animal, so guys, if there are animal this area, in this area, so the animal can eat the grasses. You can see the grasses has grown around here, has grows actually, and a different type of grasses around here. Over there there are many canal, small canal around here beside the road, and there are a different type of grass, very beautiful grass, but there are no cows, no goat, no sheep. That's why the grasses has grown, and you can see the paddy actually very beautiful, and I think, and on this place the paddy has grown uh, as very nicely and very beautiful, you can see. So guys, I tried to say something about this place, and I tried to show you this place as much as possible. So now I will back my home, and so guys, I will show you a different place on the other day, and I will not make longer this video, because this video is too long. So and you can see uh, now I have come here on the other side, and you can see there is a pump machine. You can see actually the water is supplied from the canal by the pump machine, and you can see there is a pump machine, and The water is supplied by the pump machine to field, paddy field. You can see there is a canal over there beside the road, and just try to show you nature actually. So I hope everyone like the nature, the beautiful place actually, village environment, how region environment, everyone like. That's why I am just trying to show you. And you can see now I am going my home, and you can see this is a road. There are two road, and there are many houses around here, very beautiful. You can see looking actually very beautiful, and that's why I come here to spend time to walk around here to visit this place. So now I will back my home. So guys, you stay well, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Okay. So bye. Assalamu alaikum.